My name's Paul Spagnoletti. I look after the cloud and security line of business at iOCO. We specialize in providing cloud platforms to the South African and global markets. These come in the forms of our own hosted cloud platform that we've had the privilege of providing to the market for the last 10 years. So we provide a multi-cloud, hybrid cloud solution to the marketplace, both in South Africa and globally. The SME space is still very key for us as an organization. We've seen that grow tremendously, and our platforms through the advancement through our partners strategically have allowed us to play into the enterprise space as well. From a type of workloads perspective, we're seeing mostly obviously the traditional kind of Microsoft workloads being deployed on our platforms, as well as strategic applications like ERP systems, distribution systems, warehousing systems. So there really is there's no limit to the type of workloads or applications that we can run on the iOCO cloud platform or on any of our hyperscale partners. So we have a vast experience in the space, which few can say they have. Naturally, I think this is good for our customers. It's a platform that's developed over time closely with our partners, and we've constantly innovated on this platform, providing a robust, scalable, and very relevant platform for our customers to leverage within their own environments. I think the other thing that's really key is that the kind of technology that we've built around our platform is not simply just a kind of a hosting environment where you have to put a call in and get people to do things for yourself. It's a full managed service. It allows for customers to have the ability to auto-scale their environment, auto-provision. So it's giving you the feeling of a hyperscale solution without actually being the hyperscale. So we don't maybe have the scalability, but we've got the localization, we've got the skills sitting at your doorstep, and it's 10 years worth of experience that we bring to the table. And I'd like to say probably another 10 or 20 or 30 years to come.
I'm Andrew Owens. I'm with Teraco and part of the peering and interconnection team. Teraco specializes in data centers and co-location. One of the most important factors of co-location is interconnection. Teraco sees itself as an interconnection business, and that basically means that we create a platform where clients and partners can offer their services without having to worry about the physical aspects of the data centers and interconnection.
So we have really two very key strategic alliances and partnerships on our cloud platform. One being Teraco, the other one being VMware. Teraco is an interesting one. 10 years ago, we made a strategic decision at the time not to build our own data center, which at the time was quite unusual. Most of our competitors were building and putting a lot of money into the bricks and mortar fabric of the data center and then building their platform on top. We made the decision to rather leave that to an expert and rather focus on the technology layer in being able to provide the best-in-class hosted cloud platform. We can focus on where our skills are and what our customers need, and the plumbing and the fabric is taken care of a specialist like Teraco, which I think, quite frankly, there's nobody better in that space within South Africa today. Then our other key partner from a technology perspective is without question VMware. It's around what they're doing from an innovation perspective, an R&D perspective, and more importantly, how they work with us as partners in helping us to evolve our platforms to deliver better services to our customers at the end of the day. So our partnership with VMware is really, really key, and it extends beyond just VMware. It goes right into our cloud management platform like Cloud Health.
We've seen rapid adoption of cloud technology in the last couple of years. The most important part at the moment is users getting closer to the cloud edge. Teraco plays a role in that with the Africa Cloud Exchange, which is effectively a platform which allows users to connect directly into the cloud edges, and also directly into multiple clouds at the same time. The benefit for an organization like iOCO is that connecting to the Africa Cloud Exchange gives them the ability to on-sell their services directly to their clients. And with the automation that's been put in place, it means that clients can connect instantly on short-term basis as well.
So Teraco from a interconnectivity partner for us is really key. They provide a lot of on-ramps and off-ramps for some of the hyperscalers. That gives us direct contact into that. We're part of the African Exchange, which gives us capability into extending into the continent and into many customers. A soft benefit for us is many of our own customers that are looking for a hosting cloud partner use Teraco themselves. So the ability to move environments makes life very easy.
Teraco provides an on-ramp to multiple cloud providers through the Africa Cloud Exchange. The benefit to our clients is that they then now have access to multiple cloud providers across a single infrastructure. The benefit to somebody like an iOCO is that they can offer their VMware verified platform to a broader market at the Cloud Exchange.
I'm Smeet Singh, head of the cloud provider business at VMware for Sub-Saharan Africa. A bit about my role. So I look after cloud providers like iOCO that deliver cloud services back to the Sub-Saharan Africa territory. That includes both the iOCO cloud offering as one of them, as well as our managed services program portfolio.
The reality is that we've got 7 data centers spread throughout the globe. Cloud Verified, together with something like Cloud Health from VMware, gives us the ability to manage those platforms succinctly through one single pane of glass. That is important both for us in managing platforms, but also as importantly for our customers managing their own platforms. Our customers have the ability to do auto-provisioning, auto-scalability, visualize their own costs within the platform, and they cannot do this without the right cloud management platforms in place and a partner that provides them with a platform that creates so much value through the chain. As a cloud services provider, we provide obviously the iOCO hosted cloud platform plus the hyperscalers, and again from a managed services perspective, we provide the capability for an organization to bring all of those platforms together through one single pane of glass. This has been made possible by working with a partner like VMware.
iOCO is one of those partners that's fully aligned to the VMware vision and strategy, that the future of cloud is going to be multi-cloud. And in this multi-cloud world, they play a critical role in delivering cloud managed services as well as multi-cloud management to the SA territory. Their partnership with Teraco shows their intent to grow and expand their cloud services in the South African territory. We hope to support them in future as we have been in building out this multi-cloud practice as well as driving this multi-cloud world and multi-cloud adoption.
Teraco's interconnection ecosystem, which includes the Africa Cloud Exchange, brings our clients and our partners closer together. One of the most important aspects that we've seen with cloud deployments is obviously the path that you take to get there and how long it is. And being at the Africa Cloud Exchange for somebody like iOCO gives them the ability to get low latency, instant connectivity to a number of clients.
So the future in cloud in South Africa is without question a combination between multi-cloud and hybrid cloud. I think they're two very different things. Many people get them confused, but they're fundamentally different. But I think there's a place for both within the South African market. iOCO providing a hosted cloud solution allows for a very localized environment or platform that understands the typical mindset of South African business today, the culture, the ways of working, and what organizations need to run their workloads within the South African economy. However, hyperscale is also really important, and it's a big drive for organizations today, particularly because some of those hyperscalers have put down data centers locally. But in saying that, South Africans by nature don't generally just jump straight into the deep end. So iOCO's value proposition really sits around the fact that we give you a very easy way to get into cloud. The iOCO cloud platform is very much like a hyperscale environment, but because it's local, it's got the South African flavor, it's got localized support, it's got localized currency, and that I think is very important for our customers of today. With our partners like Teraco and VMware, Teraco allows us to then extend that service into the hyperscale through the likes of African Exchange, and VMware, being such a global player, gives us that capability to provide software anywhere, anytime, across all our data centers globally. So one feel, one way of work, one experience for our customers today.